Disney Bunnies, Thumper Summer Day. One summer morning, the sun had just begun to come up. The creatures of the forest were beginning to stir. But Thumper and his sisters were already wide awake and ready to play. As the sun rose higher and higher in the sky, it got warmer and warmer. So the bunnies decided to cool off in the stream. Splish splash! Then they hopped to a hidden hollow. Inside the hollow, it was cool and dark. Later, as the sun crept across the sky, Thumper sailed across the pond. He waved hello to his beaver friend as he floated by. The hot summer sun blazed on. The bunnies cloud-gazed as the fluffy shapes moved across the sky. The bunnies berry-grazed until their tummies were full. Finally, the sun took a nap. The bunnies hopped and danced as rain fell down. As the sun began to set and the cool breeze of evening began to blow, the bunnies had a picnic. The moon came out, the sky grew darker. The sun headed home, and so did the bunnies.